Tesla's Bioweapon Defense Mode is a specialized setting that maximizes the car's HEPA, high-efficiency particulate air filter. It's designed to create a clean air environment inside the vehicle by filtering out 99.97% of particulate air pollution, including viruses, bacteria, pollen, and other contaminants. It enhances the in-cabin air quality, protecting occupants from airborne hazards. To activate Bioweapon Defense Mode, start by using the Tesla touchscreen. Navigate to the Controls menu, then select Climate and tap on Air Filter. You'll see the option to turn Bioweapon Defense Mode on. Once activated, the system closes external air vents and maximizes air recirculation through the HEPA filter to provide maximum protection against airborne particles. To turn off Bioweapon Defense Mode, start by navigating to the Controls menu on your Tesla touchscreen. Next, select Climate from the available options. Then choose the Air Filter option. Finally, tap the Bioweapon Defense Mode toggle to switch it off. This deactivates the enhanced filtration and returns to normal ventilation. When Bioweapon Defense Mode is activated, the Tesla closes its external air vents to minimize outside air intake. The system then maximizes air recirculation, forcing cabin air through the HEPA filter multiple times per minute. This creates a clean room effect, reducing exposure to airborne particles and pollutants by filtering out up to 99.97% of microscopic contaminants. The primary benefit is significantly improved air quality inside the vehicle, protecting occupants from pollutants, allergens, viruses, and bacteria. Studies have shown that using HEPA filters can reduce viral load by up to 99% in similar systems. This can be particularly useful in areas with high pollution, during wildfire seasons, or during outbreaks of airborne illnesses. While Tesla's Bioweapon Defense Mode is highly effective, there are some potential drawbacks to consider. The mode can increase energy consumption by 5 to 10% more battery power, particularly noticeable in cold climates due to the additional HVAC load. Some users have also reported reduced airflow during prolonged use of the mode, which may affect comfort in the cabin. Regular filter replacement is essential for optimal performance. Tesla recommends changing the HEPA filter every 2 to 3 years or 20,000 to 30,000 miles, with replacement costs ranging from $50 to $100. Tesla owners have successfully utilized Bioweapon Defense Mode in various real-world scenarios to protect against airborne threats. During the 2025 California wildfire seasons, Tesla users activated the mode for hours at a time. Tesla's app analytics correlated peak usage with air quality alerts, highlighting its reliability in emergency situations. In urban pollution events, such as in Los Angeles, Tesla Model Y owners saw up to a 50% reduction in cabin PM 2.5 levels during smog events, according to a 2024 EPA-funded study. Even during the COVID-19 pandemic, Tesla owners relied on Bioweapon Defense Mode. A 2021 University of Michigan case study indicated that Tesla drivers in high-risk areas like New York City experienced 40 to 60% lower reported illness rates compared to non-EV users. These real-world examples underscore the mode's practical benefits. Multiple studies, including EPA and university research, link Tesla's superior filtration to reduced exposure to pollutants and pathogens, providing a proactive way to safeguard vehicle occupants from airborne threats.